Hello wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you how I cook this delicious Onugbu soup, also known as bitter leaf soup. If today is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, follow this page, like, share and comment to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. And to my returning subscribers, a very big thank you and I so much appreciate. And let's get started. To begin, in a clean dry pot, I added in the soaked stockfish into the pot, then add in cow skin properly cleaned and washed. Go ahead and season with some salt, season cubes. Cover the pot and let it cook for some minutes. After some minutes now, add in the shaki. All the proteins are properly cleaned. Now go ahead and add in your beef. Add some water to it and top it up with some seasoning cubes. Once done, stir and cover and let it start cooking. Once the meat is halfway cooked now, go ahead and season with some crayfish, fresh pepper, add to your desired quantity, season cubes. Here we have ogiri. Yeah, this is optional, but if you really want to get that traditional taste, yeah, it is compulsory to add the ogiri. Then go ahead and add in your red palm oil, give it a stir, cover and bring to a boil. Now we are checking on the pots. Open and stir and start adding the cocoyam bit by bit into the pot. Yeah, once done, cover the pot and start to cook until the cocoyam dissolves or you have gotten the consistency that you need. Next, as you can see, the cocoyam is well dissolved. Yeah, you can add water if you feel the soup is too thick. Yeah, now add in the washed and squeezed bitter leaf into the pot just the way I'm doing here on the screen. Yeah, stir to combine. Once I'm done, I topped it up with some little grounded crayfish, smoked catfish, stir to combine, cover the pot and let it cook for some minutes. After some minutes now, stir and turn off the heat. Our Onugbu soup is ready. Yeah, it can be served with any swallow of your choice. Ofe Onugbu, known as bitter leaf soup, is a traditional dish of the Igbo people of eastern Nigeria. If you have not tasted this soup, I don't know what you are still waiting for. This is the soup that after eating it for the first time, you must come back for the second or third time, honestly. The soup tasted so super delicious and yummylicious. And we have come to the end of today's video. Hope you find this amazing recipe helpful. Thank you so much for watching and remain blessed. See you on my next video. Bye.